In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Microsoft PowerPoint slide without the background. This is a great way to save ink, make cleaner handouts, and keep the focus on your text, charts, and shapes. I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to print. Give the file a moment to fully open so all your slides and content are ready to go. It's always a good idea to quickly glance through your slides to make sure everything looks the way you expect before changing any settings. Next, head to the File tab at the top left corner of PowerPoint. From there, select Print. This takes you to the Print Preview and Settings page where you can see exactly how your slides are currently set to print. It's helpful to pause here for a second and note how your background looks in the preview so you can easily compare after we adjust the setting. Now, while you're still in the File area, look toward the bottom and click on Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window, which controls deeper settings for editing and printing. In the PowerPoint Options window, select Advanced from the menu on the left. Scroll down until you reach the Print section. Here you'll see an option labeled Print in Background. To remove the background from your printed slides, uncheck this option. Turning it off tells PowerPoint not to include slide backgrounds when it sends your slides to the printer, leaving only the core content you need. After unchecking the box, click OK to save your changes and close the window. You'll be taken back to the print screen. Take a look at the print preview again. You should now see a cleaner view with just your text and objects, without the background behind them. If you still see the background, give the preview a second to refresh or click to another slide and back to update the view. With the background removed, choose your usual printer settings, such as the printer you want to use, the number of copies, and which slides you want to print. When everything looks right, click Print. Your slides will come out with a clean, professional appearance that's easier to read and more economical to print, and that's all there is to it. A simple change that makes your handouts clearer and helps cut down on ink usage. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.